Rudy Giuliani appears to have scored a rare legal win, or did he?
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Anyone who follows the news knows that Rudy Giuliani, also once known as America's mayor, has had some tough times over the last few years. A bankruptcy court just dismissed Rudy's case at his request. This is very rare since usually people in bankruptcy want the case to continue until a resolution with the debts compromised or forgiven. Rudy asked that his Chapter 11 bankruptcy case be dismissed since this will allow him to appeal a $148 million defamation judgment against him. This, however, will make him susceptible to other lawsuits and judgments that are pending against him. One article that I read said that he cannot file for bankruptcy again for 12 months. This is actually misleading. He cannot file a Chapter 11 again. However, I would think that Chapters 7 and 13, which are both used by individuals and consumers, may be possible. The bankruptcy court froze all other civil litigation against Giuliani, including the defamation cases from election technology companies and a lawsuit from Noel Dunphy, who accuses him of sexual abuse. Nearly all of Giuliani's current debt was, however, the $148 million judgment in Washington, D.C. This was a jury award to Ruby Freeman and Wandrea Moss. These were two election workers he allegedly defamed by claiming they manipulated votes in Georgia. I think many of us saw some video of things happening in an election place after the doors had been closed. I believe that may be in reference to that. I'm not really sure. Giuliani's assets, in contrast to the $148 million judgment, are only evaluated at $10 million, specifically being a condo in New York City and a condo in Florida. Apparently, there are serious allegations that the creditors are not getting the straight story on Rudy's finances. So Rudy has taken a big risk that he will reverse or substantially reduce this big defamation verdict against him, and that he can also handle other legal exposures during this same time. Note that Giuliani has already lost his New York bar card and may soon lose his DC bar card. He also faces criminal charges in Arizona and Georgia. A lot of this is tied to his concerns about the integrity of the 2020 presidential election. I'm actually have in the works a new law journal article regarding law licenses being taken away from persons who are actively involved in some of these cases. It is very unusual for an attorney to lose their bar card, but it seems that some of these attorneys have been targeted to have their bar cards removed. So it's a tough situation out there. It'll be interesting to see what happens with America's mayor. Thanks for joining us for the special episode of Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe on your favorite platform.